Jump up. Come on.
So I could do it when I wake me up in the morning. They don't work.
Yeah. Cooper? Guys, we have a lot of experience with this because this is what our Boston Terrier does at home. He lays down and won't move. Brahmins are known for this, where they lay down and they refuse to move. And the previous owner told us that about this one. Come on, you got to get up. Come on, get on your feet.
I gotta grab its tail.
Kind of rock it up a little bit, Maddox, if you can. Come on, get your hoof underneath you. It just burped and farted.
And poop.
Oh my God. Get out of here, Maves. Casey.